everybody! Today I'm going to be doing
another peel off face mask.
But this time we're going to do the Cool Night Peel Off Mask. And I got this product from YesStyle.com, where you can get a lot of Korean and Japanese beauty products. And this is what the box looks like. You do get 100 grams of product in here, and half of the box is in Korean. So if you have any allergies, it's probably not a good idea to go with this product, just because unless you can translate the box, you are not going to be able to know what's in this. Which is kind of sketchy for me too, just because I like to know what's in my products. But at the end of the day, I had to do it. It looked too pretty not to try. Okay, Cool Night and Bye Bye Hot Weather. Cool Night Peel Off Mask soothes skin and tightens pores, is cooling down skin heat. Also, aloe, green tea, and Centella asiatica.
Centella asiatica.
Help to exfoliate skin and remove out skin impurities and dusts. Sounds like a good time. And then this is what the bottle looks like. It looks just like the box, but in a bottle form. It was sealed really well when I got it, so there was no concerns there. And it costs me, I think, about 14 Canadian dollars to get this product. And I'm gonna link it down below in case you wanna check it out. Anyways, let's get started. So I'm not wearing any face makeup today. I'm just wearing my eyes and my lips for some reason. And I've already wiped down my forehead like 3 times before I started filming, and the oiliness is back. So I'm sorry if you're being blinded by the light shining off my forehead right now. Okay, so that's the hairstyle we're going for, I guess. And let's get started. It just kind of smells like toothpaste and dentist. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jeez Louise, it's thick. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, it definitely feels a little bit thicker than some other face masks I have used in the past. Oh, but it is cold already. So I don't think I'm even gonna try to use a brush for this, just because it's just... It's just really gooey. And I think it would just all stick to a brush. Okay. Wait, did they say to apply a thin layer? Speed it up here, Sam. Go a little bit faster. I don't know if I got that in my eyebrow or if I just missed my eyebrow. I think I'm putting it on a little bit thicker than I'm supposed to, but I want it to peel off in one nice piece, and I feel like when I put a thin layer, it's just not gonna do anything. Plus, I'm just excessive with my product usage. And it's already starting to dry. It's kind of like flipping up as I put more on. Maybe that's the mask just telling me to stop. What is happening? Oh my god, I'm probably too oily to use this. I probably should have like scrubbed the heck out of my skin first, because it's probably just like not sitting well with all the oil that I create. Okay, I think we're done. Other than the need for a few touch-ups. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and say that this is good enough. I've made a total mess out of everything. The website did say that it's like good on a hot day, and I feel like it would be really good if you live somewhere warm or like during the summer or something like that. At the end of the day, I feel like it would be nice. Other than it just applying kind of funny, I think that would have been my fault, because I did say apply to a clean face. My face was clean, but I probably should have immediately like used a face wipe or something like that. But either way, it's starting to feel a little bit dry already in some places, a little bit drying, and it told me to wait 25 to 30 minutes, so I'm gonna do that. I picked the worst possible day to use this because this is what my weather looks like here today. Cold mask on a cold day, but in the summer this would definitely feel a lot better. So I'm gonna let this dry and I'll be right back. Okay, here we go, half an hour later, because I put it on too thick in some spots. but my face feels really tight. The cooling effect isn't there anymore, so it's only when you just put it on and when it's still wet, obviously. Since it's already pulling itself off, let's start. Oh. Okay. Ow. I forgot how good these feel. Oh, our piece broke. Okay, let's try to get it one piece. Come on. Careful when you put it on your jaw. I don't know about you guys, but I apparently have a really furry jaw and it's tugging. Rip the mustache. Oh! Is this why they say don't put it around your lips? Cause, oh. 1, 2, 3. Mm-hmm. Oh.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because...
Ooh. Yeah, so don't go too close to your eyes like I did. Can I just give up now? Let's examine. A lot of hair, a lot of hair, more hair. Oh my god, look at all the hair! Okay, so nothing good actually came out. Like, I'm sure there's dead skin and everything on here that we just can't see, but it's all hair. No wonder it hurts. Where's that nose? What used to be the nose? Now my jaw feels really itchy. I don't know if it's just because it was a little bit more sensitive than the other parts of my skin. And to be completely honest, I feel like you could have gotten this off in like one awesome swoop, but my application was obviously not perfect. And other than my jaw feeling extremely itchy right now, maybe because of the amount of hair that was pulled out, and some of the little flakies in my hair, I think that face mask hurt less than the other one that I tried. And if you applied it right and you didn't get it too close to your eyes like I always do, and you don't get it too close to your lip. Oh, look at you. Who invited you here? I feel like my application definitely was not perfect. The way that I missed a whole bunch of spots and it was really thick here, but it was thin here, and sorry if that wasn't very appealing to watch. I definitely would recommend this as long as you don't have any skin sensitivities and you're not allergic to anything, and or maybe you can translate the ingredients and you can decipher whether you are or not. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. And cooling is the main reason I bought it, because it was a cooling night mask and I've never heard of anything like that before. So yeah, the link is below if you do want to give it a try. And thanks so much for coming on another face mask journey, and I will see you next time. Bye!